In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front bumper filler on your GMC K1500. This will be located under the grille, right behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws for the lower light. Pull the fixture straight out. We're going to remove the 2 bulbs out of the back. To do this, we're going to push on this tab and twist. And repeat this same process on the other side. Remove the bulb socket from the reflector. Twist it, pull it straight back, and remove it. Do that same thing on the other side. Remove the 4 7mm screws on the top of the grille. There's 1 more 7mm bolt in the top center of the grille. Go ahead and remove that. Going behind the light fixture we took out, there's going to be these tabs for the bumper. These are going to be located on both sides. We're going to pull up on that tab and pull the bumper forward. That tab will unlock the front grille from it. Looking straight down below the engine latch, you're going to find 1 more black plastic clip that you need to remove. We're just going to pick up on that and then pull the grille forward. This needs to slide back. Remove the grille. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to remove the 5 screws for the bumper filler. There's 2 on each side and then 1 in the middle. Starting in the middle of the trim piece, there's a hook that's holding on to this bracket. So we're going to lift straight up. And remove the trim piece. Install the new bumper filler. Click the hook down in the middle, and on these there's 1 more hook on this outside. Right here, push it down into place. Install the screws. Install the grille. Being sure to line up those tabs. Get the grill clicked into place. Install the screws for the grill. Install the screw for the middle of the grill. Install the bulb for the reflector. Install it, turn it, lock it in place. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the bulbs, twist until that tab locks. Install the light. Get all the screws started. Go around and snug them all down. Do the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.